19岁。
Tanto que brode yu. Ani la bulu yu. San.
Chúng con đến đó từ những nơi khác nhau ở Việt Nam. Những người bạn tâm linh của chúng ta, của tôi.
Our group included 134 persons. We are business leader, artists, journalists, intellectual, and families. We come here with the purpose to meet with His Holiness and to study about his advice according to Buddhist philosophy and His Holiness Dalai Lama vision about life, about work, about contribution to society, and to the world peace.
My name is Hana, and I'm from Vietnam. And this is my first time in India and in Dharamsala. And the conference with Dalai Lama was so amazing. And first, when he came to the room, and I was just burst into tears. I cried like a baby because I hope I could see him so many times and so many days that I wish I could have a chance to meet him, and now today's my dream come true, and I was so happy. It was amazing, and tomorrow I will meet him again. Yeah, I cannot describe my feeling right now. Yeah, just this. Yeah.
My name is Steve. I come from Vietnam. I feel very happy because I know and study about Dalai Lama's favorite quotation and favorite philosophy at my country, and he's my idol. So I decided to come here to visit, to see him, to hear direct from him, and I feel very happy when I interact with him and hearing him.
My name is Phuong. I come from Vietnam. I'm very happy because this time is the second time I'm here, and every time when I listen from His Holiness Dalai Lama, I think that I am very happy because I can learn more and more about compassion from His Holiness Dalai Lama.
Today, 여러분들께 Vietnamese group, 먼저 CEO Vietnamese group 많죠 지와 딜레인. 네, 당보 여러분들이 ngồi năng 먼저 좋아. 디 그래 미치바레. 제상 그래 먼저 그래 community 직레 송송 소바 직레 송송. Ini chấm nhìn chị nhầm lên ghét chấm bộ khán đồ này chú lúc thung khe này khán chế gọi để nhưng chúng anh chơi để đi thôi là này để đi sung song.